Begin with our continuing coverage of the deaths of Rob Reiner and his wife, Michele. Today, their son, Nick, appeared in court wearing a blue suicide prevention vest and facing 2 counts of first-degree murder.
Also today, the LA County Medical Examiner's Office released its report on the deaths of Rob and Michele Reiner, saying they died from multiple sharp force injuries.
CBS LA's Jeff Nguyen joins us live from downtown LA, where Nick Reiner made a brief appearance in court today. Jeff?
Juan and Rudabeh, Nick Reiner had his first court appearance today, and as one legal analyst told us, that his trial will likely draw massive media attention because celebrities will likely get called to the witness stand.
I'd like to ask for a continuance.
The attorney for Nick Reiner asking the court to postpone his arraignment Wednesday. As court sketches show, the 32-year-old behind a glass wall in the custody area wearing a suicide prevention vest. The judge instructing cameras not to record the son of Hollywood icon Rob Reiner and his wife Michele. The pair found dead in their Brentwood home on Sunday. The LA County Medical Examiner's Office confirming Wednesday both died of multiple sharp force injuries on Sunday. Famed defense attorney Alan Jackson spoke briefly after court, extending his condolences to the entire Reiner family.
We ask that during this process you allow the system to move forward in the way that it was designed to move forward, with dignity and with the respect that this system and this process deserves and that the family deserves.
Police arrested Nick Reiner near the USC campus about 24 hours after he reportedly got into a heated argument with his dad during a holiday party at the home of comedian Conan O'Brien. The LA County District Attorney's Office is charging Reiner with 2 counts of murder with a special circumstance allegation that make him eligible for the death sentence. Former federal prosecutor Nima Rahmani says it may be a legal strategy because California has a moratorium on the death penalty.
Is that a bargaining chip?
Having the death penalty on the table is absolutely a bargaining chip. The prosecution is going to leverage that to try to get some sort of deal.
Rahmani says one example is the University of Idaho murder case in which Brian Kohlberger ended up pleading guilty after 3 years to spare him from the death penalty.
Alan Jackson is no fool. He's not going to take life when his maximum exposure is likely life for his client.
Rahmani says the special circumstances allegations against Reiner also make him ineligible for parole.
I think the best outcome for the defense in this case is to use Nick Reiner's drug use to try to negate the premeditation, to argue that this was second-degree murder. That would carry a sentence of 15 to life on each of the counts, setting aside any enhancements, and would give Nick the possibility of getting out on parole.
Rudabeh and Juan, Rahmani believes that Conan O'Brien will likely be on a list of celebrities asked to appear at the witness stand. In addition, Reiner is expected to be back in court on January 7th when he is expected to enter his plea. We're live in downtown Los Angeles. Jeff Nguyen, CBS LA.
Jeff, thank you. And the Reiner's daughter and oldest son, a former CBS LA reporter, issued their first public comments since their parents were killed. In a statement, Jake and Romy Reiner said, quote, "Words cannot even begin to describe the unimaginable pain we are experiencing every moment of the day. The horrific and devastating loss of our parents, Rob and Michele Reiner, is something that no one should ever experience. They weren't just our parents, they were our best friends."
That's right. Jake and Romy went on to say, quote, "We are grateful for the outpouring of condolences, kindness, and support we have received, not only from family and friends, but from people of all walks of life. We now ask for respect and privacy, for speculation to be tempered with compassion and humanity, and for our parents to be remembered for the incredible lives they lived and the love they gave."